Frustrated that your money isn't growing no matter what you do? Discover why your wealth is stuck and how to fix it. This feeling can be draining and may leave you questioning what mistakes you might be making. Maybe just when your money starts to grow, it vanishes to cover living expenses, and you end up right where you started. In this video, we'll dive into the common reasons your wealth isn't building and reveal strategies to boost your finances and bring your money back to life. 1. You haven't established clear financial goals. We often emphasize that setting financial goals is crucial for building wealth. By creating goals, we provide ourselves with direction, determination, and the encouragement needed to achieve our objectives. Setting goals helps you identify essential and non-essential spending habits. This enables you to develop budgets and become more mindful of your financial situation. This ultimately results in more consistent and disciplined money management. 2. Why your budget isn't working and how to fix it. Maybe you don't have a budget yet, or the one you have just isn't working for you. Once you've established your financial targets, it's important to craft a budget. A clear budget will help you manage your income and expenses effectively. Your expenses should include both necessary and optional items. Breakdown of the different types of expenses helps you become more aware of your finances, allowing you to make smarter decisions about how to allocate your money. 3. You're spending more on fees and repayments than you need to. It's challenging to grow your wealth and maintain it if you're overpaying on repayments. If you have a home loan, you might be paying more than you need to. Not reviewing your loan terms regularly could mean you're paying more than you should on your home loan. By working with a finance specialist who has access to various lenders, could help you find a better deal and lower your repayments. 4. You might not be getting advice from the right experts. There are experts who can help you turn your wasted money into valuable savings. These experts include finance specialists, mortgage brokers, and financial planners. Finance specialists focus on loans and can help you find the best deals from a variety of lenders. Financial planners assist you in setting up a comprehensive financial plan. They work with you to outline your immediate goals and enhancing your budget to achieve your goals. 5. You're missing out on investing, especially in real estate opportunities to grow your wealth. A powerful way to build wealth and increase your income is through real estate investment. Investing in a property that starts earnings immediately is a fantastic way to generate additional income and increase your financial value. Putting your wealth into real estate can help you use your equity to acquire additional properties. With time, an initial investment in real estate can develop into a substantial, greatly increasing your savings. In summary, goals provide direction and motivation, while a well-structured budget helps track your income and expenses, ensuring you manage both essential and non-essential spending effectively. By addressing these foundational aspects, you can gain control over your finances and start building wealth. Begin today to transform your financial path. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.